me when.
Go.
Oh, anyone there? Herbie?
Ow.
Anyone Herbie?
1 off.
You like talking lady?
15 shirts.
Ah, crap. That's 2 off.
Amy.
How many more do you have to get off?
3 off.
How many more do you have to get off? 11 or 12.
Neither.
4 off.
You've done this for like 15 minutes.
I'm gonna go up here until it.
I did the same thing.
Ow, shit. 5 off.
Now
you got 10 more. 6 off.
I'm gonna wait. I'm going to
7 off. Breathe now.
I can breathe now.
7 off. Wait, that was 8 off. Do you have my Madre's phone number? 9 off. Yeah.
I do.
And your dad's. How do y'all get my parents?
409, because it's exactly like yours, just the last one's
I was
different.
about to get there.
409-370-8806 is your
Madre's mom.
and your dad's is
8807.
5. No, wait, 7 is your dad.
No, 6 is my dad. 8806 is my dad.
What's that there?
One more.
The one I was wearing was all the way up to my tummy.
One more.